Hey, Coach.
Yes.
Hey, this is Steve from
Hey,
Shredders.
hey, what's up, Steve?
Hey, buddy. I don't know if I can take up a little bit of time with like
Absolutely.
Eric's moto. A lot of people don't know I was a deputy sheriff for 18 years.
Thank you,
I
man.
was heading to a call for a stabbing and was hit by a car.
Oh,
I was hit at 65 miles an hour.
oh my
Um,
gosh, dude.
they told me I'd never walk again.
Ugh.
And of course, that medically retired me from my entire career. I
Wow.
got down in the dumps. I went through a depression. I fought and fought and fought and told myself, I'm never going to let this keep me down. Um, and then 3 months into rehab, I was able to walk out of rehab. And they turned around and said, "Look, we don't know how you're actually able to walk the way that the injuries were." My arm was still in a full sling, full cast. I had no motion in my upper half. And now I have taken that opportunity that took me out of my career, and I turned it into I created my own business into the lawn care service, and it's grown to the point where that is my full income. And like with Eric, don't give up. That's one of those things where I used to ride a motorcycle as well. It's still sitting in my garage, but I'm just not confident enough on that yet. But don't ever give up. Just keep fighting for it. People will tell you, hey, it's gonna be a lot longer than you're wanting to go, but with determination and hey, I've got this. You keep your mind to it, just like in the trading, it's going to just blow up on you and you're going to do great. American Dream Trading has actually built up my business as well because of the money that I've made with this already. I was able to give everybody that works for me a pretty decent Thanksgiving bonus. So I've got 13 employees that are full time with me now.
That's so awesome.
And because of what I've made from here, that's not actually in my business money. It was able to just come from me because of what y'all have done and built me into. So I just really want to say thank you. And that's just, it blesses me because of the way that this group is constantly about helping someone else.
That's awesome, Steve. I appreciate it, man.